for our art center today, we're going to make a paper plate Abraham Lincoln. So I have my glue, my scissors, the small paper plate that's in your bag, your Abraham Lincoln hat, and the black piece of paper to make his beard. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is cut out my hat. So I'm going to follow along the pencil line that's there for you. And we're going to cut out the hat. I'm cutting around that line and doing my best cutting. All right, almost done. Okay, and I have my hat cut out. I'm going to put this off to the side for a second and put my scrap over here so I can throw it away. Then I picked a skin color crayon and I'm going to color my plate. And I'm just nicely coloring, making sure I color the whole plate. I'm going to color the outside here too. And get the edges. All right, I'm almost done. Coloring. All right. Okay, friends, so I have my whole plate pretty much colored in. Now, I'm going to glue his hat at the top. So see how I'm going to do that? I'm going to glue his hat. He had a nice tall hat. So I'm going to put some glue on the back of my hat. Actually, I'm going to put the glue on the plate. Sorry, friends. I'm going to put the glue on the plate. And then I'm going to stick on my hat. And I'm really pushing down. Okay. Now, I'm going to draw a nose. And a smile. And then you can use googly eyes like the sample, or friends, you can always just draw on your eyes too. So I'm giving you an example of just drawing on his eyes if you want. Okay, and then if you see our sample, I'm going to put his eyebrows. Okay, so there we have our face. Now, if you see you have another black piece of paper, I'm going to cut strips of my black paper. Okay, so now I have my strips. I'm put those together. I'm going to cut, see how I can cut a couple at the same time? Now I'm going to cut little squares. All right. And this is going to make his beard. So Abraham Lincoln had a beard. And you might not need all of the squares, so I'm going to put them off to the side. And again, friends, I'm going to put some glue on the plate. And then I'm going to stick my squares down to give him a nice beard. Okay. I'm just sticking the squares on, pushing down to make sure they're really stuck on my plate. If you need to add a little more glue, I think I do. I'm going to add a little more glue. You can add more as well. All right, my friends, so there we have it, our Abraham Lincoln craft. I can't wait to see how your crafts turn out. I will see you back here for our writing time. See you soon.